Is this how your eyeliner looks most of the time? Crooked on open eyes and just not flawless enough to elongate and lift your eyes instead? The reason simply is your hooded eyelids. The excess skin that sits on top of your mobile lid is known as the hood. In some cases, it covers the whole lid, and in others, partially, like on my eyes. When the hood interferes with a straight line, which in our case would be the wing of the eyeliner, it makes it look crooked instead of straight. There is an easy trick to prevent that from happening, so let's take a closer look. First of all, make sure your lid is neutralized with concealer and set it with translucent powder beforehand. Then apply a nude light shade like this one called Smarty Pants from the Tarte Lid eyeshadow palette on your whole mobile lid. We apply this shade with a blending brush in sweeping motions, just to warm up the skin. Next, we grab a liquid eyeliner from Essence Cosmetics in a brown shade. You can choose your eyeliner of choice. I prefer the brown shade because it looks less edgy on my skin. Important key factor is to not raise your brows and instead to relax your face muscles, especially the forehead. Meanwhile, look straight into a mirror without closing your eyes. Now, to guide yourself better as a beginner, rest your elbows on a steady surface like a desk and apply 2 or 3 dots and connect those by applying one straight stroke and again reconnect that stroke back to the upper lash line. This is how you have created a wing. Once you close your eyes slightly, there is a gap in your wing. Connect the gaps and fill in the wing. This is how you create a non-crooked wing. We're not done yet. Stamp your eyeliner brush gently onto your upper lash line close to your natural lashes. It is important to keep the lines as narrow as possible on your upper lash line. You should never have your lines so thick that they cover your whole available lid space, because that will give you the crooked winged liner look back and enhance your hood even further. Moral of the story is, the more narrow and thin your lines, the less probable for your winged liner look to turn out crooked. In the next steps, we just apply 2 coats of mascara and are basically ready to wear our flawless winged eyeliner for the day. If you have enjoyed this short but informative mini tutorial, then make sure to let me know by leaving me a thumbs up and comment down your requests and thoughts for the upcoming videos. I upload every weekend, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out on the next helpful tutorial. Have a nice week. Keep up with the newest lifestyle, makeup trends and the latest beauty product reviews on my channel Hajar Beauty. I am Hajar, a makeup artist, cosmetician and online instructor. I love to help others, and if sharing my knowledge and experience will make you succeed, I'm ready to let you know the steps that worked out for me. I would love to welcome you to my growing beauty community here on YouTube. So if you share the same interests, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification to not miss out on every week's video.